Assalamualaikum level 2. This is your teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Level 2 beta, hope you all are doing well. As this is your English literature unit, level 2, today we are starting our poem. We are doing our poem which is reduce, reuse and recycle. Level 2, if you remember that in our midterm we have completed the chapter in which we have a topic 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle and repair. But this is a poem in your English literature. The poem is 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay. Now with the name of Allah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, start the poem. These are words we know. We have to save our planet so we can live and grow. We might be only children. We have to try. You'll see. We will save our planet. It start with me and you. With me, reduce, reuse, recycle, and you, when you do, reduce, reuse and recycle. We will save our planet by acting upon these 3 R's, which are to reduce, to reuse and to recycle materials. Beta, what is the meaning of reduce? Reduce is actually the decreasing unnecessary and wasteful purchases. For example, level 2, taking the example at your home, turn off the water. Level 2, while you are washing dishes or your mouth or brushing your teeth, turn off the water. Okay, level 2, reuse and recycle. Reuse means to use same item more than once rather than disposing of it after one use. For example, level 2, reuse glass for other purposes such as vases and other decorative purpose. About recycle. Recycles means to process used materials into new product to save resources and energy. For example, papers of wrapping presents use used paper to sketch or do calculation. Okay, level 2, about your assignment. In your exercise book, level 2, first make a title page of poem reduce, reuse and recycle. Alright, after making the title page of reuse, reduce and recycle, level 2, write the poem after the title page, this poem. Okay, level 2, and then you have an assignment which is write the central idea of the poem reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle are all about minimizing the amount of waste we produce, reusing products as much as we can and remembering to recycle any material that can be used for a new purpose. Okay, level 2. So this is our poem 3 R's. We can save our planet, we can save our earth by acting upon these 3 R's. Level 2, hope you will do your assignment and send me the picture of your assignment too. Those students who are not sending their pictures, but I am not marking your attendance, and those students who are sending, very good for them. Okay, level 2, take very good care of yourself, stay blessed, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.